Come on, we gotta come up with a sign for the weed. Somebody give me a sign. What's the weed sign? This west side, so we can't use it. So what's the five? We're gonna do the dubs. Blow it in. Oh, let's blow it in the air. Come on, blow it in. Blow it in the air. Blow it in. That's the new shit from now on. So this time next year, when I say blow it in the air, don't look like you forgot, because I know how the weed works. Yeah. Oh, hey. She kind of cute, but I just like the blonde girl. I don't like everything else. That one blonde shit is funny. I want y'all to put your hands up for the struggle. Baltimore going through it right now. Put your hands up. We gonna hold it up for a minute just for the... Oh, this is a party today. We gonna party. If you got five on it, blow it in the air. If you got a dub on it, call my friends. Don't call us if you got a five. That's snacks and shit. That's 3 bags of ladies and stuff. If you wanna come, at least bring a shirt or something. Okay. Slow me down, pull me down, pull me down. Where all my paper getters out here? If y'all all broke and smoking weed, get your priorities together. Word to mother. Where all my weed smoking, getting money ass people at? Y'all still your money sound funny. Sound funny. It sound like if the rent paid, the lights might be off. If the phone bill paid, the gas might be off. Now, but you got weed though, so fucking smoke about it. Well, we some get money individuals throughout this whole city. That's why this is the money capital of the motherfucking world. So what we gonna do is get some of this motherfucking cash and run. So if you about that get cash and run shit, put your hands up. Ha! 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 Give it up for my homegirl Mila Mashika. Let's go.
How y'all doing? Alright. Up before the sun, you gotta get that cash and run. Cause before the day is done, you need to get that cash and run. We live under the gun, we need to get that cash and run. Cause being busted ain't no fun. Chasing that, facing I just call it, get that cash and run. Hey, yeah, y'all get cash, right? Come on. Get that cash and run. Yeah, that cash and run. Now I ain't saying hurt nobody. Get that cash and run. But without it, you can't help nobody. Get that cash and run. And the money don't make you somebody. But you need that green to feed your body. Get that cash and run. And know it's hard out here for everybody. Get that cash and run. If you don't work it, you don't smoke it on your feet. Get set to get that cash and run. Hey, yeah, that cash and run. Get that cash and run. Oh, yeah, that cash and run. Gotta get that. My name is Mila Mashika. Thank you.
We are with that or what? I need more energy today. Let's go. Thank you. Come to the motherfucking stage, my man. From the legendary channel live. with the biggest weed record in the motherfucking world. Hakeem Green, give it up!
Yeah, so time is of the essence, so let's just jump it off with herb right fast. How many weed smokers out here? Everybody needs to have their hand up. We're gonna start off with herb though. Yeah. How many of y'all know about Madism? Not that one though. How many people out here know Madism? Make some noise. How many people out here know about KRS-One? Make some noise. Yeah. So listen, let's just go into it. Right. Cheer. Cheer. Cannabis. Northern Lights. Sour Diesel. Cheer. Rock with me. Yo. My herbs stay fresh, every bud a little vicious. Brown cookies mixed with MC oil, it's nutritious, delicious. Shimmy your pipe, take your wishes. Hemp oil and chocolate drops, Hershey kisses. The weed go where I go, smoking on Diablo. Chief and all keep like Chicago. I got the hay, went out west with the yay. Around the city they call me God like my name was Little Zay. Selling Z's but not the J. We smoke L's around the way. Full of egg out the Zed, we puff all day. I float above the fray. Life be okay, I stay growing blood like every day was May. I got the hola, but not kidding play. YOLO, ayy, what the fuck they say? You only live once. Paper or blunt, catch me vaporizing directly after brunch. Ha, herb. Chill. Indica, how many people like indicas? If you fuck with them sativas, make some noise. All my Rastafarian brethren, if you like that good crown, make some noise. Yo, it's Hakeem Green, aka Kareem Akbar. Peace to the gods, salam, Allahu Akbar. I'm not a pop star, more like your pop star. Niggas try to hustle right next to the cop car. Y'all niggas lost like the tribe of Shabazz, y'all. Ain't getting cash, y'all. Niggas make me laugh. Steven ass niggas counting candy with the last. We some get even ass niggas, Hurricane Sandy with the grass. Straight hydroponic, water keep you flooded. My eyes so red, niggas think I'm flooded. Come smoke this bud, I'll put you on a cloud. They mistake me for Steve Rifkin, my smoke be so loud. It's soaked out like my mama's name was Gwen. When I hit the block, it's like, nigga, where you been? Plotting and planting. Forest for the trees overnight like I'm camping. Cheer. Yo, y'all feeling that? Cheer. I got bars. Yo, I got some bars. Say ho. Chuck Chill Out is in the building. Make some noise for DJ Chuck Chill Out. Yo, roll that shit. Smoke that shit. Police raid, run like roaches. Don't touch my clip. I'm talking marijuana. Green light iguana. Get high off the throw and munch out like piranhas. Save the drama. I pack sacks like a llama. Spread love, take sick with teaser. Ask Madonna, smoked all night long with Fonda. Earth, wind, and fire, feeling Billy Capadonna. Indica sativa made me a believer. Now I'm deep in the trees with hemp cookies without the Keebler. You know the drill, he's what master of. I fucked up. Next. Shit, it goes down like that. Yo, check this out. I want to send a big shout out to my homeboy Robert H. Moore Jr. from Game Face, who's spreading the good word about lawful possession of the plant cannabis. I was hanging out with my good brother, and he put me on the dabs. How many people out there like them dabs? Yabba dabba doo! Okay, 2015, let's go. Go. Yeah. Do it all. Yeah. How many motherfuckers know who belong to the underground is? 6 CCs! The episode starts when I walk down the block. What's that smell? I smell like chalk. Who don't take that one? Still in Sarabi. Started smoking is a motherfucker for a hobby. Now I smoke is a mint that is vanilla tinted. And I roll my own shit out with 2 little tinted. Never got the smoking for the sentence. All hell with guys, I'm higher than religion. top, my channel's always live.
And down because the moment to alive with the boom with the glow. I know where it grows. Sativa man, no cough, no choke.
Wake up in the morning with the yearning for herb. Need a hit, got one in the clip, that's my word.
What?
Start my day off with the hay while I pray. Token on the, I'm in Surrey. Peace on earth, maybe one day, but the weed make it easy like every morning Sunday. I'm spitting nows and verbs about pounds of herb. Anything you want, my nigga, you'll get served. God said it's good, I'm talking on the tree of knowledge wrapped up in the wood. When it comes to diesel, I'm the little train who good. Told Doc I had some pain, he wrote something for the brain, the aches and pains. Now I hang around trees like candy cane. Stay flooded with the troll like when Sandy came. Talking on the guard show like Andy's name. Trigger Treach in the building. Don't do it to yourself. Don't do it to yourself. It's all good. Yo, make some noise for Trigger Treach.
Fucking naughty Rock Nation, don't touch me.
Make some noise for Trigger Treach.
We getting smoked ass from far, goddammit. Jersey, this motherfucker. Hey, we can smoke a split with a cliff, but this still around
High enough, or wide enough to touch the naughty
in the world. Don't ask me for squat, cause I'm strapped with the block that's make your pop lock. In it to win it, don't mimic the gimmicks on top of the line intended. Ain't a damn thing really. Stay on your bitty hope, right from the giddy go. Wanna see a bitty flow, toes ass and titty show. Make a dirty city go. Can't stand a shitty show. Fuck who that bitty know, that your whole committee know. I'm smoking enemies like Hennessy. Holla Hennessy, the industry got 4 or 5 mini-me. And if you go back like that, you can smoke that like that. All we do is smoke madism.
All we do is smoke madism. All we do is smoke madism. All we do is smoke madism. Make some noise for Trigger Treach. We're doing all the laws of underground. Hockey Breed Channel Live.
Chuck chill out.
Chuck chill out in the building.
Lord Digger in the building.
6CC's is in the building.
And the weed.
Wake up in the morning with the yearning for herb, which loosens up the nouns, metaphors, and verbs, and adjectives. Ain't it magic? Hit what I'm kicking. Multi-flavored bags and sacks for the picking. Listen to the instrument, the talk's not stop. The water with a rhyme, but it's always the chocolate. Shit.
Everybody for being here today. If you would like to take action right now and help us with the Cannabis Parade, we will be cleaning up the park so that we leave it better than we found it. So if you're interested in helping with that effort, I will be up here with gloves and bags, and you can help legalize marijuana right now by helping this event happen again next year.
Thank you for coming out today. That is the show, ladies and gentlemen. Please step forward to the Cleveland Water now.
One more song, bro. One more song. Yes, you got it. Now I'm happy. Stop the vibes on your